Roku developers with channels in the US, Canada, or Latin America can now enable their channels to be distributed in Europe. This video showcases the exact steps to follow. To get started, first navigate to the Manage Channels screen of the developer dashboard and click Preview and Update for the channel you wish to distribute in Europe. On the Preview and Publish page, click Properties from the list beneath the Update Your Public Channel section. On the Properties page, select any European country where you would like your content to be available. Options include France, Germany, Ireland, and the United Kingdom. When you select a new country, the information previously recorded in the Made for Kids and Channel Age Rating sections will automatically be cleared, so you will need to complete both entries. A link to a document with more information on the definition and implications of being a Made for Kids channel is provided. Similarly, definitions for each of the 4 channel age ratings are provided. Next, under the Languages section, you must select any languages that are considered the predominant language in one of the channel stores you selected above. In the context of Europe, this means if you selected the German channel store, you must select German as a supported language, or if you selected the French channel store, you must select French as a supported language. Lastly, channels built using the developer SDK that had not previously provided a privacy policy URL will need to do so before changes to this page can be saved. With all this information provided, click Save. Next, click Channel Store Info. Here you will need to provide localized metadata about your channel for each language you selected on the Properties page. Specifically, you'll need to provide a localized channel name, short description, long description, and channel poster. Again, in order for Roku customers in Germany or France to be able to access your channel, you must indicate support for the German or French languages, respectively, on the Properties page. When you've provided all the localized channel metadata, click Save. Once all of this information has been provided, you're ready to publish your channel. On the Preview and Publish page, select to schedule or reschedule your channel release and follow the remaining steps of the publishing process. Channels built using the developer SDK will have very slightly different steps to finalize the scheduling and publication of the channel than channels built using Roku Direct Publisher. Once your channel is scheduled to be published, there are still 2 important steps remaining. Channels participating in Roku Search will need to verify that their content feed includes localized content ratings, and channels that use Roku Pay for in-app purchases need to verify the price customers will be charged in each new country. Specifically, for channels participating in Roku Search, this means that you should update your search feed to include ratings and rating sources from either FSF or FSK if you publish your channel to the German channel store, and from either the British Board of Film Classification or UK content provider if you distribute your channel in the UK. Channels that use Roku Pay should review the purchase price for their in-channel products in any new countries that they've configured their channels to be distributed in. To do this, visit the Manage In-Channel Products page of the developer dashboard. Then, click Add Product Name in another language to add a localized name for your product in each language your channel supports. The product name is displayed to Roku customers during your channel's on-device purchasing workflow and in subscription emails sent by Roku, so it's important to provide an intuitive name that's easy to understand in your customer's primary language. Roku Pay uses price tiers to determine the purchase price a customer pays after tax. These tiers use a preset mapping configured by Roku to calculate a uniform price in each country based on currency conversion rates. If you would like to set a specific price for your products for different currencies, or you charge different rates in different countries, then you will need to create new in-channel products for each currency or market. Once these in-channel products have been created, configure your channel to offer different products to your customers based on their country. To do this, use Get User Country Code to determine the channel store associated with the user's account, and therefore the currency they will be paying in, and call the correct product IDs accordingly.